Well, look what we have here. It looks like another box. Could it be another box fan that I bid on when I was in Jersey? Let's find out. Now! Nice. Trying hard not to damage the inside box. Let's continue the unboxing. Ooh, shrink wrap. Love it. Okay. A little thank you note. And feet. Cool. Look at the feet in the bag. Awesome. But we may not need it because notice that's where it is. Yay! Alright, if we're ready, let's do the official show and tell. And before I forget, here's what the little thank you note was, because it was out of shot, but yeah. There's a feet to it, but like I said, we may not need it. Because this thing is probably wide enough that I don't need it. But anyway, now, and before I forget, the speed selector is weird. Because it's supposed to be alt, high, medium, low. Well, here's high, but it's not really high. And you'll see in a minute. It's a little wobbly, but that's fine. And here's supposedly medium, but it's not medium. It's high. And low is still low. Back to medium, which is actually high. And off. We'll check the spin down time right now. Not bad. Not bad at all. Alright guys, I figured since I thought about it, we'd do a little comparison. I mean, I've seen other people on YouTube have these same Robeson box fans that say they're either made by Lakewood or Toastmaster. Sadly, I couldn't get to the Toastmaster fan because I can't get into the prop room right now, but I took my 223 out and decided to compare it. And the similarities are very similar, with the exception of the blade. I mean, if you notice the handles look the same, speed selector knob looks the same. Grills don't really look the same, but that's another story. Backside looks the same, although the Robeson has the older Macmillan motor, which I think was like 91, maybe 92, while the 223 is from 95. Smaller vent holes, but still the same. And you can still oil it. Yeah, the oil ports are the same position. So yeah. So I have reason to believe maybe the blade came from Toastmaster, maybe Holmes, but the motors, well, the rest of the fan is probably Lakewood. I don't know. And what I said was that I probably didn't need the feet for it because it's wide enough. Same width, so I have reason to believe, same width, same height, same handle design. Knobs are completely different, but that's another story. But yeah, I have reason to believe that this Robeson kind of like borrowed some ideas from Lakewood. I don't know. And because I like you guys, I'm going to give you a side-by-side comparison between the Robeson and the Lakewood. So let's go. I mean, there's really no difference, but oh, no music? Crud. Nice. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this little video of the unboxing, the show and tell, and a comparison of show and tell between the Robeson box fan and my trusty Lakewood 223. Like I said, this box fan is kind of special because I bid on this when I was staying in Jersey and it came, so it's like, yay me. So hopefully I'll have another fan video come eventually, or whatever crosses my mind. But until next time, I'm Esky, thanks for watching, and the comment box is open. I must have a sip of... And now they're here to rot in the back of my truck.